At the Turing, as part of the Advancing Data Justice Project, we work with 12 different Global South partners to understand how communities and their lived experience have contributed to engaging with policymakers and technology developers. What is very clear is that the global discourse on AI governance does not take into account yet visions that they have for the future, capacities that they already have in engaging with local communities and creating awareness, or engaging with policymakers and to make them understand and build evidence for what is missing in the global conversation about policy on AI. I think it's time that we learn from that. So the conversation doesn't just stop in the North American and the European level.
Global data justice means having truly global voices at the table, having a much broader scope of voices and perspectives at the table than we've had in the past. And that is, I believe, where data justice needs to go. It needs to broaden, it needs to be decentered, and it needs to be enlarged.
I think very often the conversation is removed from the actual communities and people that are impacted by AI or data injustices. So engaging with them to understand what the challenges are, what could be done better. I think Dr. David Leslie said something in there, which for us is really important. Nothing about us without us. So that's something we must live and breathe as part of research, as part of policy engagement, as part of dialogue, whether it's with private sector, whether it's with development actors, or whether it's in libraries.